Okay, so we are making a indoor garden. This is the pop out and reusable starter tray. I got some warm water. I have lots of seeds. I've been collecting seeds for a long time. I have the seed starting mix. So let's see how this goes. I only be trying to get stuff that I actually like. Then I started to try to get stuff that I know is good for me, which is all of it. Some I have more than others, so sorry. Now, I did not know I got a cabbage, but I did. I love lettuce. I got so many different types of watermelons. I got peppers. Here we go. Peppers. More cucumbers. I got melons, cantaloupes, more cucumbers, more watermelon. Then I got some flowers, basil, and some beans. So I don't know where to go from here, but we're gonna read this, and we're gonna read this, and we're gonna try it. So our instructions are on the back, and here are our trays. Look at there. So it has A, B, C, D. So I have I have this that I can write it on, and then I bought some of these from the Dollar Tree that I can write on as well. So this will go inside of here. Y'all can see that. I'll fill each cell. This ain't Burpee, this Jiffy. Like Jiffy the cornbread. Do he make seeds? Jiffy the cornbread? Okay. Okay. So I got my scissors, got the wind chime's gonna be seen or heard. I got my dry eraser and my cup to scoop. So let's see. We're gonna open it. Okay, now I smell the dirt. Okay. Okay. Now that we have that open, what are we going to do? We need 8. Okay, so far we have cabbage, lettuce, basil, cantaloupe, parsley, watermelon, peppers, and cucumbers. Should I do a sunflower? These are the ones that we got. These are the ones that we got. Okay. Y'all see that? All right. All right, we got our first dig. Okay, so I'm just gonna do it now because I really wanna see what we working with. But somebody said that it's best to soak your seeds for 24 to 48 hours, and they said it helps it to grow faster. So this first batch, we're not gonna soak our seeds. Second batch, we will, and see what happens there. Ooh, smells real like dirt. Smells like dirt. Okay. Okay, so that should be good. Now, we'll keep that in there. So, I know we need to spray a little better than this, but we just don't spray it like this for now. So that we can, oh Lord, it's making a mess. Okay. I'm gonna put some more water in there, but look at that, it's making a mess, okay? But we got enough soil in there, right? Yes, okay, it's in there. I'm new to this, not true to this yet, okay? And it should be evened out, right? That's definitely not even. Hopefully this ain't too much. Oh Lord, that looked like a lot, but hopefully it goes down. Yeah, we want it to go down. Oh Lord, I think I'm doing it wrong already, y'all. Am I doing it wrong? Okay. Maybe I should have put the hole in there first so that the water can, I don't know what I'm doing, but we learning. We're learning. And if we don't get nothing this time, we're gonna try again. But most definitely put the little hole down there so that we can get the water to go all over. Look at me making a mess. Okay. So now we need both hands. And my foot fell asleep. So we are going to do sunflower and parsley. There's a thing where, you know, some plants don't want to be by each other. Ain't that a thing? I'm learning. So we got them all written down. How many seeds am I supposed to put in there? All of them? Oh, it says it right here. To speed germination, soak seeds in warm water for 24 hours before. I'm doing it without it, okay? This is our parsley. How many seeds should I put in there? Not all of them, right? Look at these seeds. Can y'all see that? I'm gonna zoom in on that. That's a lot of seeds. So should we? We already stuck them in there. I don't know how much I'm supposed to put in there. I'm doing that much. We don't say the rest. Okay. We didn't put white. I don't know what I'm doing. Because does it matter how many seeds you put in there? These seeds look like this. Zoom in if I can. Okay, so we're gonna do, okay, those are smaller ones. Let's do 3 seeds. Y'all think that's enough? Oops, I gotta make sure it's going inside the little holy part right here. But then it's gonna be all over the place. Okay, so then we got those in there. Those are sunflowers. Oh, y'all, fingers crossed we get something. The lettuce goes into V2. Here is the seeds. Y'all see that? Okay. These don't even look like seeds. These just look like lettuce is made from this? How? Now, I think somebody playing games with me. How is lettuce made from this? Lettuce? Salad bowl lettuce? And it tells you what type of pot to put it in, but I'm not putting it in there yet. B2. Go ahead, put that there. Cover it on up. So then we need our cucumbers. Now these look like cucumber seeds. Y'all see that? We're gonna put 3 or 4. Okay. We're gonna put 4 of them. 1, 2. Yeah, I really think I'm overdoing it, putting the seeds in there like that. I'm just doing it the best I know how. Then we have our cantaloupe. It kind of looks like cucumbers. It's a little darker though. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Now we have our peppers. Now, where is the seeds of the peppers? Now look at this, y'all. They're so red. Those look like pepper seeds. They do. Okay. still? Okay, put a few. I need more. Okay, there we go. We got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then I need to see how often does it need to be watered. Oh, yeah. If I would read, it tells me, it says plant 2 seeds every 18 inch. This definitely ain't that. Oh, Lord. I definitely went overboard. We got the watermelon. This is a starter kit, y'all. We will see if we get anything. The main thing I want to get is my cucumbers and my lettuce. These are definitely watermelon seeds. And because I already started acting a fool and adding so many, we're just gonna go ahead and put the 2 seeds down in here. Down in there and cover it on up. And our last one is basil. Boom. Y'all see those? All right. So now we're gonna just put those little seeds right on in there. I'm going to wet this up again. Okay, I think that should be good. What y'all think? Tell me what y'all think. Did I do a good job or not? Here's what it's looking like at the bottom. Yay, we planted some seeds. It says do not put it in direct sunlight. So we're not. Yeah, 1A. This one, this one, and this one. And we're done for now. And they better be growing tomorrow, like the green onions. That's all I'm saying.
Oh my gosh, y'all. I just planted these the other day. I'm doing something, but I don't know if I'm patting it down. I was just coming over here patting them down. And I'm like, why is this so high up? And it's like, I'm trying to come up. Look at my lettuce. Oh my God. That is lettuce coming. Oh my gosh. And then this is cucumber. Oh my gosh. So wait, did I do something wrong to you? I'm gonna let you keep growing. And then here's my sunflower. You trying to come out too. Wait, look at there. Y'all, this is creeping me out. I'm scared. I just want to be the best plant mom ever. I've been growing the green onions, and I just planted these the other day. I'm a plant mom. I'm growing my food. It's okay. So do I need to water y'all again? What do I need to do? Okay, y'all, look at this. Y'all see the picture from yesterday? Look at there. There are some cucumbers. Oh gosh, this is really cool yet creepy. Look at how they're coming up. It was about to come up here because it's starting to rise up, but I don't know if that's a thing. I don't know. Y'all, this is so exciting to me. But this is a sunflower. I see you trying to come on out. And that's the cucumbers and that is the lettuce.
But we're done for now. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.